Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to remove the tag from Get Contact app. Now if you want to remove the tags from Get Contact but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Get Contact app on a device. So if you have not installed the Get Contact app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device, and after that you just need to open the Get Contact app. So as you can see, this is the home page of Get Contact, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as various options at the very home page itself. Now to remove the tag which is given to you or which was given to you by someone, you just need to click on the option of menu at the very bottom right of the bottom taskbar, and here you'll see the option which says your name, the number of tags given to you, notifications, SMS predictions, spam call prediction, and all of it. So click on the option which is my tag. So currently there is no tag added to my account, so when a tag is added, it will appear in this page. So if there are number of tags given to you, so you may simply long press on the tag and option of hide will appear on it. So if you click on the option of hide, then it will simply remove the tags which you want to remove. So that's it. That's how you can remove the tag from Get Contact app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.